In a bustling cafe, a clever text slips from a joke into a stranger's chat about a legendary lunch plan. She reads it aloud to friends, realizing the message was meant for a coworker, and the coworker hates lasagna. Across town, the real recipient floods her with confused calls, apologizing for crashing a taco night that never existed. The Misfire spirals into a tiny town legend as the accidental sharer posts a screenshot waving off the drama. From that day, both strangers swap polite messages, then swap stories about the perfect wrong person moment.